Hey guys, in today's video, I'm giving you my honest review of Sumatra Slim, the all-natural weight loss supplement that's been getting a lot of attention lately. So, does it actually work? What are the real benefits and are there any side effects you should worry about? Stick around because I'm breaking it all down. Sumatra Slim is designed to boost your metabolism, burn stubborn fat, and help you lose weight in a healthy way thanks to ingredients like green tea extract, natural caffeine, bitter orange, guarana, and other powerful thermogenics. It helps reduce bloating, control your appetite, and even increase your energy and focus, all without harsh side effects like jitters or crashes. A lot of people are already seeing real results, especially when they combine it with healthy eating and regular exercise. But heads up, there are fake versions of this supplement being sold out there, so only buy it from the official website. I dropped the link down in the description for you. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, fast shipping, and secure checkout, so it's totally risk-free. Bottom line, if you're serious about burning fat and getting back in shape naturally, Sumatra Slim is absolutely worth trying. If you've used it before or have any questions, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a video. And remember, the official link with the special discount is right there in the description. Go check it out.